Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting chart here headed into the weekend. Friendly reminder, the markets are closed tomorrow on Friday for New Year's. So on that note, Happy New Year's, everybody. But like I said, very interesting setup, and it all begins with the idea that, yeah, it started off rough on the day. That opening 30 minutes, gap down, price came all the way down here. But after that, the price just slowly and surely moved its way higher and higher. So let me change that to green to represent a support trend line. But the point here being, the price did show some signs of upwards strength. And now all of a sudden you can see the nice green candle here is forming. The volume, it's kind of hard to see, but this volume bar is definitely much bigger than anything it's seen during the midday. So volume is coming back in. So does this mean that this thing is for sure going back upwards? No, of course not. No such thing as a guarantee. My core point here is, does it now become more valid? Does it now become more rational to be thinking, hey, you know what? Maybe there's some sort of stronger move that's coming. Yeah, of course, it's rational at this point. Not guaranteed, but at least it makes sense given how things are behaving. And a big test of any sort of upwards movement is going to be right up there at the $1.90 mark. Not necessarily can the price get up to 190, but can the price break above it and close above it? And if it can, again, that doesn't mean that for sure the price is going back up to $2.50, but it does start to change the landscape of things where you can make valid and rational arguments that, hey, it's looking like the bulls are starting to make an appearance again. It's looking like the bulls are starting to build some momentum. So definitely keep a very close eye on $1.90. And if the price can push up through there, next level of resistance you would then want to focus on is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued there. We'll just call it the $2 mark. And then again, as far as supports are concerned, you want to see the price stay above that trend line, because if the price blasts down through there, well, that means that pretty much everything I've talked about in this video in terms of the price showing some signs of progress and all that has been wiped away, which is not what you would want to see. But overall, definitely an interesting setup here heading into the weekend. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.